If you're anything like me, you would always try and check your Gmail to see if you had any new emails coming in. And it never worked. You got really frustrated because you knew that your teachers were sending you things and you just couldn't find them. That was me all of my freshman year. Until I find out you had to go to Outlook. Go to outlook.live.com, all lowercase. On the home page, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Sign In. Type in your student email as you would on a Chromebook. I've done this so many times that it doesn't ask me for my password. So, if this is your first time, this is what the password screen will look like. Type in the same password you would for signing onto your Chromebook. And then, all of your notifications are there. You have Canvas notifications, teacher emails, everything. All right there. So in the future, don't go to Gmail. Go to Outlook. Another tip, check your email every single day. You don't know if your teacher's going to be adding new assignments every day or if someone else has emailed you. So make sure you check it at least once every single day.